it's Willy. Welcome back to my channel where I'm testing affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. Make sure that you hit a subscribe button below, and I will keep you updated about affordable beauty products every week. And of course today's video I'm going to talk about the product that I use up, and I'm going to talk about some of it that I repurchasing. And of course, yes, if you have any favorite product from drugstore that you love, you can tell me in the comments as well, because I'm going to do a video shout out and create another video from your idea or your favorite product testing idea, something like that. And also, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments as well with hashtag rinse questions. So yes, we should jump right to the video. So all of this is going to be kind of like a skincare product that I use up, because to be honest, they also have some cosmetic things that I use up and I finish it and I buy it again, but then I forget that I have to do this video and I throw it away. But okay, we should start with these ones first, which is Oral-B 3D White Gently Teeth, kind of like whitening sort of things. So I really love this one. I found this one when I was in the UK and I love that a lot. But then when I go back to my home country, which is Thailand, they don't have it at all. But then I think 2 months ago they literally just, you know, bring this one in my home country, and I'm so happy about that. I've got a lot of stock about this. I love this one. I think it does help me to make my teeth like still white. So I did a teeth whitening before, but then I didn't completely, I didn't do it again and again, but I think this one just, you know, helped me to maintain my teeth. That is not bad. For me personally, I think it does help me a bit to make it a little bit white, but not like wow, super white or something like that, but it helped me to, you know, doesn't look bad, which it's supposed to. So yes, that's the reason why I love this one, and of course I'm going to buy it again and again. So if you find something to, you know, if you would like to look after your teeth, I recommend this one. So moving on to kind of like cleansing gel, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to, you know, you already know that. And of course, yes, as you can see, it's empty bottle, and I really love this one, which is Eucerin Pro Acne Solution Cleansing Gel. I can't live without this, to be honest. Every time when I'm trying to find, you know, when I'm trying to use another new skincare product, and again it breaks out and it doesn't work with me, but then every time I come back to this one, it's always helped me all the time. I can't live without it. Of course, as you can see, 2 bottle empty. I would definitely buy it again and again. So in terms of the cleansing, like makeup cleansing water sort of things, I use 2 different brands. So if you follow me for a while, you will know what brand that I love. And yes, of course, one of it is Eucerin Pro Acne Solution Acne and Makeup Cleansing Water. As you can see, I got a what's wrong with me, I got a travel size as well, and I got a full size of this one. I really love this one because even I didn't go out, I still using SPF, and to be honest, I have an oily skin. If you have oily skin, you're supposed to clean yourself really well, otherwise you will get, you know, easy to break out, and of course you will get blackhead really easy. So this one does help me a lot. Even you're just wearing sunscreen, you also have to use this one. I suggest it to you. I found this step and it helped me to reduce about, and you know, blackhead quite a lot. So I love that. And the other one that I sometimes switch it up because I'm too easy to get bored with my skincare, so I use Bioderma, which is this one. I also got a full size at my desk, and yes, I also got a travel size as well, so that I could bring it when I travel. And as you can see, it's empty. I love it so much. I use it like many years now for this one, and it's really good. I believe in the UK it's not that expensive, but in Thailand it's quite expensive, but Yes, of course it's drugstore skincare, but it's quite expensive, but it's worth it for your skin. It clears your skin really well, and I think it's had 2 different, you know, formula for your skins as well. Moving on to my eye makeup, of course I love these Maybelline Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. This one I didn't got any problem, and it removed my makeup really good because I use a waterproof mascara, and everything to my face is completely waterproof, so this one does help me a lot, and I use this one for many years now. I used to change to the other brand, can't remember the brand, and that it caused me a lot of problem. So, you know, this one cheap, and sometimes it got a really good promotion, so yes, of course I love that. And you can see this one I'm going to, of course, buy it again and again. So the last thing that I really love, and I'm pretty sure you will see me talking about this quite a lot, and to be honest I am sorry because this one is only in Thailand and it does help me a lot. Yes, and that is serum from So, which is Thai brand. It's really good one, you know. It helped me with, you know, acne and everything. As you can see, it's nothing there. So this one is for acne, and this one, you know, after the acne, it's, you can get some blemishes, and this one help with blemishes. They have 2 different formula, and if you are in Thailand, I really suggest it to you guys because this one, first of all, it's pretty cheap, and the result of it is just like, you know, a brand, like a really big brand skincare. So it really good job. It does really good job. I stock it quite a lot because I love it, and it's friendly for travels as well. As you can see, quite small, and yes, I love it. Moving on to the product that I'm not going to buy it again. Please forgive me. I didn't hate it, but it does nothing on my skin, but it may be suit on you. If you use it, please tell me, because you know, some of the other people watching my channel, they would like to know some other people opinions as well. And yes, it's from Vichy. This one is hydrating, refreshing water. So it said it balance oil and water, which I use it for a while, and it does nothing for my skin. I did buy a full line of this one, and it does nothing on my skin. It doesn't help to balance anything, or maybe it's because of, you know, in Thailand it's really warm, that's why. Or I don't know, maybe I try it again when I can, you know, go back to UK. So I might try that again, but yes, of course, for me in Thailand it doesn't work. But if it does work with some of you guys, please tell me in the comments. The last one is also from Vichy again. This one is Vichy Novaderm lotion, pore tightening lotion. So this one does nothing on my skin. It doesn't help, or it doesn't, you know, do anything. It's just, for me, it's just like water, and I put it on my face and that's it. So I tried to finish this, as you can see, completely empty, but I'm not going to buy it again. And that is all about the product that I used up. Some of it I throw it away, I'm sorry about that, but I think next time I'm trying to keep it some more to make it like you can see another product or another part, which is maybe it could be a makeup part or something like that. But yes, if you have been using those products that I talk about, you could tell me in the comments as well. If not, if you have any skincare product from drugstore that you love, you could also tell me as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.